Hey guys, how are you doing? Today we are going to be having the first hands-on review with our laptop Acer Predator Helios 300.
This is my first laptop. I bought this laptop a few weeks ago in the December of 2017.
So the laptops comes in
Flipkart box has the Acer laptop box, which has two boxes. The laptop box and the box containing the charger. It also has international warranty card and a how to use Windows guide. Now my initial thoughts on the laptop. It is a gaming laptop, but I didn't buy it for gaming.
I bought it
for video editing. The laptop has aluminum top and the keyboard deck is also made of aluminum. The keyboard is good, it lights up red. The trackpad works absolutely flawless. The range of the laptop is good, it opens and closes easily by one hand also, and the speakers are good, bass is
not.
The speakers are bottom firing. It has 3 USB ports, of which one is 3.0, which has high. It has the 3.5mm audio jack port for your headphones and earphones. It also has the SD card reader slot. There is one USB-C port. There is one RJ45 port for your LAN and internet connections. Panel of the display has some plastic, and the bottom panel of the laptop is also plastic. It has a 1080p
Display
is IPS panel. Display is good, not the best. There is somewhat flex in the display, but not a big deal. Laptop has 48 watt hour battery. It has 4 cell lithium ion battery. It takes approximately 1.5 to 2 hours to charge fully. Battery performance is good because you could watch 4 to 5 Hollywood movies, which are like 1.5 hour to 2 hours. Intel's i7 processor, which is quad core at 2.8 GHz. It has NVIDIA's graphics card, which is GTX 1050 Ti, considered as the best. It has 8 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk and 128 GB SSD built in. Windows 10 comes pre-installed. There is Wi-Fi built in. There is Bluetooth. It is absolutely beast in terms of if you are doing your daily tasks. The trackpad has Windows precision drivers, so you can do the 2 finger gestures, 3 and 4 finger gestures to do certain tasks. It has a front facing camera, which is suitable for your video calls.
Hey, what is up YouTube? So this is the audio and video quality of the laptop from the webcam back to the video. So this was my first YouTube video of 2018. Happy New Year to all of you, and hope you liked it. If you enjoyed it, keep watching and subscribe to my channel. Bye.